Hello everyone and welcome to this Solidworks basics course. Especially my man Matt Haas. Welcome you man. So when you open the Solidworks you end up with having this screen. So these are your old folders and these are different files that I used and new for new we have these three basic files types. So there are three different file types in SolidWorks. The first one is part, and the second one is assembly. An assembly is made of different parts, and the drawing can be made for an assembly or a part. So let's look at what's advanced, and we can change different things. So here are tutorials for how to make a part and assembly things. So these are the templates, and here you can arrange it. I just want to cancel it, and if I click part, it will open a part for me, and I just want to get rid of this and this toolbar hanging on. So any part is made of different features, and features are made of sketch, and sketches are made on planes. So you have to remember this thing. So let's so we have first we have a plane where we will sketch, and then we will use as a sketch to create a feature, and then we will use different features to create a body or a part. So let's start sketch, and then we will click on, let's say this one. Let's say we create on the top one. So when I just click on it, it shows up different options for me. This one is to show this, show or hide it, zoom to selection, normal to, like show normal to, and then I can create a sketch on it. I can right click on it and then click on it. This was a sketch tool, and now I am in sketch. You see, and I have different options here. So let's create an arbitrary shape. Now let's put dimension on it, and then let's say make it 30 or something, and then we just hit enter. It should show you a dimension here, but unfortunately it's not showing on mine. I gotta fix it. And you select this thing, and then you oops, and then you hit this one, this extrude, and this is the most basic feature that we will always use. And then you can select the depth of this feature, yeah, or the dimension of this feature. Let's say I select 10, and then I hit enter. Now I have this plate, and I want to put a hole on it. Now I can either choose these planes, or I can use this face as my base plane, and then I click this one, sketch, and now I have a circle on it, and then I have its dimension. Its diameter is, let's say I make it 5, and now I get a drill a hole on it, and now I go to features and extrude cut, and I can drag it whatever way I want. So if I just drag it the wrong way so that it's not intersecting with the material, then it would give me an error. Let's try it. Yeah, does not intersect the model. So we just make sure that it runs through the body, and then we hit OK, and now I have this plate with a hole in it. And so now we have our basic part in it, and just to know that we will have different features that will be composed of different sketches, and they will be on top of some face or plane. And that's it for now, and we will later on we will discuss what are different features. Thank you very much and have a good day.